Welcome to our deep dive into secrets to building a successful online finance empire. The advice Warren Buffett and Elon Musk don't want you to know. If you're intrigued by the prospect of navigating the digital finance realm armed with the wisdom of the greats, you're in the right place. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, share this video with peers, and don't forget to ring that notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. And stick around till the end, as we unravel each layer of this complex yet fascinating topic. Secret number 1: cultivating a magnetic brand and engaged community. In the digital finance world, your brand is not just a logo or a name. It's the story that resonates with your audience. Taking cues from Buffett's investment in brands with loyal followings and Musk's mastery in community building, the first step is to create a brand that embodies trust, innovation, and user-centric values. Engage actively with your audience across multiple platforms, offering them not just services, but a community where their financial aspirations are understood and supported. Remember, a strong community not only fosters loyalty but also turns users into brand evangelists. Secret number 2: championing diversification and innovation. Diversification and innovation are your shields and spears in the competitive arena of online finance. Inspired by Buffett's diversified portfolio and Musk's relentless innovation, your platform should offer a broad spectrum of financial services and continuously evolve with fintech advancements. Whether it's integrating blockchain for security, AI for personalized financial advice, or exploring untapped markets, staying ahead of the curve is key. Secret number 3: harnessing the power of data analytics and advanced technologies. Data is the new gold in the digital finance landscape. Mirroring Buffett's analytical rigor and Musk's tech-forward approach, leverage data analytics to gain insights into customer behavior, market trends, and operational efficiency. Use these insights to tailor your services, refine your marketing strategies, and enhance user experience. Technologies like AI, machine learning, and blockchain should not just be buzzwords but integral parts of your operational and strategic toolkit. Secret number 4: embracing financial prudence and strategic asset allocation. Buffett's cautious financial approach, combined with Musk's strategic investments, highlights the importance of prudence and strategic foresight. Operate with a lean financial model, minimize debt, and ensure liquidity. Your investments should be deliberate, focusing on areas that promise growth and align with your long-term vision, be it in new fintech ventures or emerging markets. Secret number 5: fostering a culture of lifelong learning and adaptability. The only constant in the digital finance sector is change. Foster a culture where continuous learning, adaptability, and innovation are at the core of your operations. Encourage your team to stay updated with the latest industry trends and technological advancements, ensuring that your empire can pivot and adapt to the ever-evolving market dynamics. Secret number 6: upholding ethical leadership and transparency. In the end, the sustainability of your finance empire hinges on ethical leadership and transparency. Conduct your business with integrity, prioritize user privacy and data security, and maintain clear, honest communication with your stakeholders. Building a reputation for ethical practices will not only win you the trust of your users but also set you apart in the competitive online finance landscape. As we wrap up this comprehensive guide, it's time to reflect on how you can apply these strategies to your venture. What steps will you take to build your online finance empire? How will you leverage the lessons from Buffett and Musk in the digital age? Share your thoughts, strategies, and questions in the comments section below. Let's engage in a meaningful discussion on shaping the future of digital finance. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. And remember, in the world of online finance, knowledge, innovation, and ethical practices are your best allies. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep strategizing and stay ahead in the digital finance game.